Mhm. Okay, so let's start for today. Seven, okay, so yesterday we were here and I had a call, so I have to receive that. Okay, so let's start from there. So yesterday we have solved this question using recursion, I think. Let's see it is complete or not. No, it is not solved fully, I think. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's see what is the problem here. Okay, so um, solution or path, given a path and an answer traversed. If not no, then just return and just append that node in it. And after appending, if sum equals to target sum and left node right node not equals to none, then just do this. And in else bar, just traverse in for next left and right. And after coming back, just pop that guy out. Okay, so um, it looks like it is complete, but I don't know why it is showing wrong output in a particular here, and there is not a single output here. And just okay, let's print it also. Let's print our path. Okay, so we will get what is going on here and why we are not getting our answer. So path and also sum. Okay, sum, and we already know what is standard sum. Okay, so let's run and see. And no output. In case 2, no output. I think I just, yeah, as always, I forgot to call this function. So drivers, it will be root, and then sum, it will be 0. I think it will be not 0 because whenever I'm calling, so I'm taking sum with driver. Okay, so here will be our not 0, it's root dot val. Still same case, input, output. In output, I'm getting 5845 that is there and 5841. Let's see if there's 5845 and 41. I'm getting both output as an answer, but that is not right. Okay. Um, taking some. Um, Okay, while it was empty, okay, 5 and then 4. Initially it was, I think here I don't have to put the value. Path, what about the value? No, it is right, I think. So, when in the starting, um, okay, let's put this print next after this here. It will look more clearer. So 5, okay, 5 is appended, and then after that I go to 4, 4 is appended. After that 11 is appended, and I got 14, and after that 7 is appended. It's 425. Okay, okay, nice. But 5 for 11 for 2, it is remain 25. So okay, okay, I'm like here node dot well node dot left. If dot left is there. Wait. If I am traversing and while traversing, I'm adding that in our sum, that is making that is making a problem. So let's put here 0, and if not node, then do nothing. And before appending, just update our sum to dot val. And because I have already updated the sum, so I don't need to update it here. Okay, and it without any problem. Let's see if it passes all the test cases. Okay, so it worked, but it is not a best solution according to memory. And for runtime, beats 5%, and for memory, it beats 40%. It means there is a solution. Okay, it is because of this print. Okay, now runtime is gone better, and it also beats Smoker. And after this, we can also, I think, update the sum like in here equals to 0. And as I got a sum plus value, and I don't need to put this sum in the function parameters. And I'm adding and of while popping, I also subtracting this value. Um, now let's check if this works or not. Um, Sum plus square cannot access local variable. Okay, so for to access, I have to use non-local sum. Okay, it worked. And okay, Mr. Okay, so it worked. Okay. And let's see if there is any. Before seeing solution, let's solve this question with traversal method without using recursion. Okay, so now what I have to do, coding the same question, traversal. So here I was putting path, answer, and sum, and in previous question we found a way to solve the question while traversing. Yes, I think I got that what it was using. So a path variable and and an answer variable that will save our all answers, and a sum variable. So in here, what I have to do is, so stack stack and put the root here and stack. I think I should first write the root because I don't remember the correct answer. So better way to just solve it here first, and after understanding, then we should code. That will be a better way to solve it. So what was our question? Let's so 5, 4, 3, and here let's put 2 and 1. Okay, so this is our graph. I have to find the sum. Let's take 5, 9, 10, 11, and let's put it one here also. 9, 10, 11, 3. Okay, so this is our graph. Sorry, this is our tree. And in this, what I have to do is to get this target sum. Target sum equals to 5, 4, 9, 10, 11, 11. Okay, to solve this using the uh, while let's see, try to use a stack. Okay, so in a stack, by default, our root will be there, and I also have to take some also with it. So I think um, I also have to take path, save the path, and save the sum also. Okay, so right now I want 5. As I pop this guy out, I will take in our stack 4 and 3, and after popping I will put this in sum and path. Okay, and If I traverse in both left and right, then to get the path is going to be very difficult. So what I'm going to do is go first left till you find the last left. If you don't find, then go right. Okay. So what if I do in that way? So as I pop this guy out, I will only go for left, putting the 4 and putting this guy in also in our path and in our sum 5 4 9, and then putting the 2 and 2, and here will be 11. As we get 11, we will take like we know where this path from, with stack we will also give its index, that is its um, depth, what we say it, let's take it as height. Okay, so with 542 in our stack, there is one more thing also with it, that is its height. So here height is 0, and here height is 1, and here its height is 2. Okay, and we will not pop this guy out first. We will just traverse to left till possible. Right now we are on here, and after traversing, our stack will be filled here, and we get our 11. And we will also check this last that we have put in here is a leaf node on. If it is leaf node, then we will take the whole path from this to from 0 to this level. So from 0 to this level is 5 4 and 9. Okay, and we will put this in our answer, and in our answer the answer will be 5 uh, 4 and 2. This will be there. And after that, because after 2 we can't go further, we will check for right. There's no right available. Then we will pop this guy out, and while popping, we we will do nothing in this sum. Okay, and after this, and now we are on 4 comma 1, and we will check for right. Okay, and from 4 comma 1 we can go left and right in both direction. So now what we have to do, I don't want to go in left. Let me just, I don't remember the way how I have solved that question. Let's see. I think it was some control, some, not this one. I think in boundary part it was there. Yes, this is the one. So if you not know, just continue node and level, and if length of path is the path is level, okay, okay, no. Let's see how I have done this. I just not able to remember it how I have solved this. After solving, I just forgot how I solved this. So here is path node length. Okay, no worries. Append the level. If I am appending a stack both side, then getting the path. Uh, shit. Let's first decode it how I have done this question. Okay, so here is stack and path, path and answer taken. Okay, and in a stack, first is let's do this. First goes 5 and with its level, so let's take it level as 5 comma 0. I'm popping this guy out, putting it in our path and putting this 5 and no, it is not condition. So I'm appending left and right both side. So if I'm appending both side, then 4 comma 1 and 3 comma 1, and after that I'm going to 4 comma 1 and I pop this guy out also already. So now I'm in 3 comma 1, putting in path 3, popping this guy out, and now I'm on 3 and then appending again 3 with 2. And in this, because it's 2, I'm popping this guy out, putting it in here, and it path is okay. So I will just get this in our answer, and now I will go to 4 comma 1 and putting this 4 in place of 3, I will put the 4, and now I am on 4, so I will pop this guy out, and now I will go for 2 comma 2 and 1 comma 2, and as I will pop 1 comma 2, this 3 will be replaced with this 5 9 10. This is not equal, so now I will go and this. Okay, so now I remember what I have to do. So as I now get it what I have to do. So according to this, so right now I'm on 5 and 0 is the state, and as I am on 5, I'm just pop this guy out. So I will put this guy in sum as well as in path, and after this I will add these. I will put popped out, and after this now here comes for 4 by 2 and sorry 4 by 1 and 3 by 1, and now I will pop last one out and putting this on our path and adding this to his previous sum, so 5 7 8 9 9. So as because I have popped this out, so I also have to add this guy, so 3 comma 2, and as I pop this guy out, it will come here and with the sum 11, and I got the sum. So because I already got the sum, so I will put this path in our answer, so 5 3 and 3, and now I am on 4 4 and 1, so I will pop this guy out 4 1 and updating these values. Now now 3 will be changed with 4, and in sum 5 plus 4 is 9, that is 9, will be 9, And after this, because I have put 4 comma 1, I will putting the values 2 with 2 and 1 with 2. And now I am updating 1, and in place of 3 by 11, removing it and putting this in path, and with 2 9 10 11. Oh, sorry, 9 10. Okay, and still we not got what we have wanted. Now we will pop this guy out and updating these values, and these will be 2 and 11, as we had got this again, so we will just append in our answer. So there are two lists, path and sum and a stack. These three things we need. Let's code it. So where is our question? This is our question. So path, answer, and sum is also in a stack. And here, okay. So let's do it. So in our stack, there are two things are available. Let's check if, okay, 0 nodes are available. So here, if not root, return empty list. And in stack, there are two things that we are putting, that are root with its height, depth, or whatever you say. That's node with height. Okay, and while popping, I just put the node and height. I think it is called, what we say it is, um, level, not height, level. Level. Okay, in node and level, popping this stack out, stack dot pop, and after popping, we will check, like we have to put this in our path. So path dot append node dot val. After this, if sum is there, then I just have to, if length of sum is less than our traversal, uh, if length of sum is less than our level, if not sum, or, and in any condition, I just have to append this sum, so it will be and I, oh, okay, so here one thing also, in path I also not append every time, so this will not work also, because path and sum both have the same length. So I will check only path, it will tell everything. If not path, or length of path is less than level, so I have to put path dot append the value node dot value, and same goes for sum dot append, and because sum will also check its previous, so if, so I have to make a condition here, append the value node dot value if um, um, okay, In normal condition, I was going to use sum minus 1, not minus 1, sum I, whatever. Let's make a one more variable with the name of level answer dot, sorry, list length. Okay, length right now it's 0. So, and now in place of this, we will put the if length is less than or equals to. Well, it will never be less than, so it will always be equals in position. If length equals to length of um, equals to the level, if length is equals to level, it means that there is like the length of path list is small, so I have to just append, and in sum I have to append sum if level double equals to 0, and in else I have to just put the value, so sum plus sum minus, not minus 1 as I forward. Now some here it will be minus 1 because minus 1 plus whatever the node value. Okay, so these two conditions will be here, and if this is not, then just add the path dot append. Sorry, not append. This time we are not going to append. We will use the level equals to whatever the node value. And for sum, here a little bit here. Bro, could you please suggest me some good resources for DSA and Python? Well, for me, what how I have learned to do DSA, first I have gone to CodeChef. Well, if you know how to use Python, then you don't need to go to CodeChef. If you are new to Python, then just come here and in practice session, um, there are all the beginner DSA. Or where are all questions? They have changed this a little bit. Like, come here, not roadmap practice. Algorithm, beginner project, programming languages, start by path. Okay, let's go with open. Okay, they have changed the way. Why? Where is all questions are available? Well, I have done this 2 year earlier, so to go with Python, yeah, star-wise path. Yeah, in star-wise path, go for 1 to 2 star and solve all the question that you find of 1 star. Okay, at least 100 question. Okay, those are very easy. Okay, so you will able to solve very easily, and you will understand how Python works. So after that, after doing that, just come to LeetCode or GFG, start solving easy question without thinking about any DSA type of thing. Just solve it. use your normal knowledge. And after that, when you are like you have learned this thing, you can then go topic wise. Go topic wise, like I want to learn linked list, understand its theory, see any YouTube video to understand its theory, and after that just come here and solve questions of that. That is the path that I followed. Okay, so and it worked. So that is what I will say to anyone to start for this. Give me a second. Okay, so where I was. Okay, here. So taking the okay, talking it in some it is going to be a little bit different. So here it's some, and in some uh, I have to put this thing at the level with I have to take the previous one. So if previous is available, then only I have to do. So because there is a possibility that level is 0, so previous will be not available. And if I find previous, then it will be level 0 minus 1, it will minus 1, and it will get the last element in our sum list. So it will just create new problem. So to solve that, we will uh, so to solve this, um, if level equals to 0, then just add nothing, whatever it's um okay, no, this will not work. If level double equals to 0, well, I think I have already made it. Okay, it is length equals to level plus equals to 1. Okay, if level double equals to 0, okay, bro, I actually know Python little bit, but don't know how multi-threading is in code. Well, I also don't know how multi-threading work, and I have done a little bit async code, but I never used it. Now, if like first read the concept, for example, array, and then try to solve only array type question. For DSA, you don't need multi-threading async. Okay, and then move to linked list concept. After knowing that concept, again solving few questions, then move to other topic. The good way to cover DSA. rather than try to solve. No, yeah, first try to solve array question. That is a good way, but I prefer like first you go to Code Chef. There are very simple questions like adding to values, taking input, giving output. So I am preferring Code Chef because there you will understand how to read question. Okay, so this thing that I was really troubled by it. You can say that I was not able to read question what this question want to say and how I will going to solve. So in that way to get comfortable, CodeChef helped me. So after that, I just after that I never go back to CodeChef. I'll just solve here in Lead Code or Geek for Geeks. And the way you are saying, yeah, if after doing the basic question in one star question or two-star question, you will never found linked list question or graph something. Never, because they are very pretty easy questions. Okay. So after doing that, just go for a linked list. You can ask ChatGPT which I know this thing, which topic I should take next. So it will clear the roadmap, which topic you should take next. Okay. And there you go, the way you want. Yeah. So path level, if level double equals to 0, then just put that sum equals sum level equals to whatever is node value. And in else condition, sum whatever is level, uh, uh, sum level plus equals to node. Um, no, not plus equals is equals to sum level minus 1 plus node dot val. Yeah, bro, is saying multi-threading constant or use nothing something like this. Only then I will explore CodeChef. Yeah, you try and explore CodeChef and go CodeChef only for one star or two-star question. Solve 100 question. It will take 1 or 2 hours. You will solve more than 20 question in 1 hour. The only time you will take in understanding what this question want and to code it, it is very easy if you know Python. Okay, so path level equals 0, some level is to none. Okay, okay. And file stack, some level, okay, done, done. Okay, here I have to, it's sum, and now I have to check if at that whatever the sum is made is equals to our target sum. Sum level double equals to target sum, and if it equals to target sum, and there is a condition that it should be a leaf node, I think. Yeah, root to leaf. Are you doing job or you are a student? I am a student. Sorry, I am right now employed. Sum and okay, taken node dot left. This question node dot right. This question nine. If this follows, then take this guy in our answer. So answer dot append whatever you get in our path, not the full path, only till the whatever is level plus 1, and after this just make a because it is already a copy, so I don't need to make a copy. So do this, and if this is not, just put the other, go for other left and right in stack dot append not dot left with whatever the level is, level plus 1, and same for stack dot append node dot right comma level plus 1. Okay, and in starting I haven't checked that if node, if not node, just continue. Okay, and I think this will complete our whole code, and after that I just have to return. Okay, great. In which post you are working on? Well, I am in system engineer in TCS. That is a software engineering role. And return them. Whatever is our answer, I think this should complete. Okay, so path constant. Okay, let's see if my code is correct or not. Like what we have thought, path sounds track, go left and right in both direction, it doesn't matter. Each path should be written as a list of node value, no node reference. Okay. And, because I think it is returning first left and then right, so I have to put this guy up first. Okay, and now let's see if everything is paths on answer and sum. In starting length is 0, and if stack root 0 node and level. If not node, just continue. If length equals to level, okay, not double equals to. If length equals to level, just append that value. And for sum, there are two conditions. Um, if level is equals, yeah, there are two conditions. Okay, so because okay, if level is 0, then just append the sum, and if level is not equals to 0, then just take the last whatever it is and not plus value. Okay, and what your tech stack as a system engineer, like what kind of tools you are using? Well, I just like it is only a month I am in TCS, so I am trained in Python, and before TCS I was in Accenture. So in Accenture I have a tech stack of React Native, so that much, nothing more. Let's okay, let's run and see. and Dagger sum is not defined. Was it Dragger sum? I have written Dragger sum where it's target. Can only concatenate list to list. Um, Sum dot type error. Okay. Sum if level is equal to 0, else sum minus 1 plus not dot val. Well, if it looks okay, then okay, I think I have to put this. Okay, I'll just make if else condition here. If level double equals to 0, then sum dot append sum. Okay, now I get it. Shit, yeah. Thank God I just got it. It's not here sum, it's here node dot value. Now it will work, I think. Yeah, it worked. Not a single error. Let's see if this works in all test cases. And it worked. Okay, so I think there are more better solution are available. Let's see those solution what those are. So in what he has done, all path, comma current path. And okay, this is the recursive solution. No, I don't want recursive. I want traversal. This is also recursive. I think in memory maybe I can found. Uh, yeah, no, it is also okay. So we have already solved it in a best way possible. So let's go to our next question. And this question is hard, okay? Binary tree maximum path sum that we are doing in the previous question also. Path sum, okay. So what is in here? Let's see. A path is a binary tree is a subsequence of nodes where each pair of adjacent node in a sequence has an edge connecting them. A node can only appear in the sequence at most one. A node can only appear in a sequence at most one. Note that the path does not need to pass through the root. The path sum of the path is the sum of the node values in the path. Okay, given the root of the binary, return the maximum path sum of a non-empty path. Okay, let's read it one more time to for more clearance. Note that path does not need to pass through. Okay, it is not necessary that our path should go through root. A path is a path in one sequential node where each pair of the adjacent node in the sequence has an edge connecting them. One can only appear in a sequence at most once. Okay, so if I took a node in a path and that node I can't take again, so I have to find the maximum sum that I can find. So how uh, we are going to solve it, and that can be any subtree. Okay, so let's go here and see, understand what our question is. So let's take 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and then 6 and here is here is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's take 7. Let's take 10. Okay, 10 is our I have to find the maximum sum that is possible. So for maximum sum, I think that will be pretty easy. Like while returning, just take the sum. Like right now I'm on 7. So our sum is 7, and when I reach on 5, then it's 5 plus 7. That will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here it's 12. And when I reach to 4, it will be like I will add these both guys. S- 6 and 18, and here is 8, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, and this will get the maximum solution. But we can get the let's see, maybe there is something that is we are missing. Okay, these also contain negative values. So for negative, let's take it 100. So this will give an answer in negative. So our answer will be 18. And if our 5 is also negative, so I will take 7 and then I have to subtract this. So now it not become 12, it will become I also have to give the path also. No, I just have to return the sum, maximum path sum. So it will become 2. So now 6 or 2, I will take the max one. So it will not be 18, it will be 10. Okay, so now I understood how I will I am going to solve this question. So while traversing, we will take the solution, take the sum with us back to our root node, and in root we will check if both are positive, then just add them. If any one of them is negative, if any one of them negative, then take the positive one, and if both are negative, then take not a single one, just go with it. Okay, so these three condition will be there. So let's code it here. So def whatever okay, in function our root will be there with the sum and I will take a global variable as an answer like 0 and not 0. I will, because there is a possibility that negative answer is available. So I will take answer as like root dot val, whatever is its val is available. I'm assuming that at least one node is there, so that's why I take it root val. And while in code, I will correct it. Okay, in here, if function if not root, then just return 0. And if there is root, then go left and right, get their answers. So left is equals to fun root dot left, and right is equals to fun root dot right with the sum. Well, I'm returning the value, so there will be nothing I will take with me. Uh, let's put it a little bit down. Okay, so if not root, okay. So I also have to put this okay, only root is here, and getting the left and getting the right, and I get the left and right if no, no, I was doing right. I don't need it as right decision. Go left and right. Is uh, if left is greater than 0, and right is also greater than 0, um, let's remove it. Yeah. If left is greater than 0, if right is also greater than 0, then just return left plus right plus whatever the present node is. So present node is root dot value. Okay, and in else condition, I have to just return. And if in I am in else condition, it means right is like either 0 or less than 0. So I will not add that guy in here, and then I will just return the left. Left plus root dot val. Okay, No, I don't need this level of if else. Let's make a variable named sum, and in sum I will put 0 if uh, this is more difficult than I thought. Now I know why it isn't. It isn't a hard question. At first I thought it was an easy question, but now I know why it's not easy. Go left and right. If not root, return 0, nothing, no problem. And if I face, if my like root is negative and both sides are positive, then what I have to do, that is an also a problem. So I think before going to left and right, okay, it's okay. I go left and right. I also check if root dot val is also it can be answer. So let's put an answer equals to max of answer with root dot val. Okay, in this way we will get if root val is greater than 0 or not. And after this, now there are many conditions that I have to add. Let's code it directly and add condition whatever we find new again and again. Okay, so answer is equals to in first I have to check if 0 node is number of nodes in a tree in range. Okay, okay, it is in range. Okay, so at least one node is available, so that is good. Root dot val, and in def I will put, I have to traverse in this, and with the root then I will take it node, and in this time I will directly call it, because every time I'll just forget it and think about why this code is not working. And let's also return the answer, and in answer traverse node, if not node then just return 0, no problem. If there is a node, then the first thing that I think we should do, that check for answer equals to max of answer with no dot value, and after checking this, if okay, check for left, go left, and in left I have traverse no dot left, and right is equals to traverse no dot right. Okay, If node dot left, okay, if left is greater than 0, then and sum equals to node dot value, add this guy in sum plus equals to node dot value. Okay, if right is also greater than 0, then also add this guy in our node dot value, and after doing so, return. Return the sum. Okay, so here whatever is our answer is and the node value, and if in sum I put our node dot val, even if it is negative, it doesn't matter. I will add both guys and I will get something in our sum. And here there is a condition that I have to put. If sum is greater than 0, then only, or else just return 0. I think this will complete our code. Okay, not goat. Um, Answer, okay, I haven't used non-local answer. In both cases, I got wrong answer. Output is 3 and expected is 6. So, um, okay. What can be its reason? Um, Answer is equal to max. I took the whatever I get in max in our answer, taking its sum. Okay, I in here I have to put this in answer. Answer is equal to max of whatever I got in our answer already and whatever is in our sum. No, it's still not getting right. Well, I am returning the sum, but because of some reason, I'm not taking it. I think there is something minute that I am missing. I'm traversing. If not, no, just return 0. No worries. I've taken a non-local answer, and I have directly checked that if our answer is maybe a single node can be our answer. So I put that one over here. Sum is equals to node dot value. I make a new variable sum in which I put the node dot value. I got something from left. Okay, let's think if I'm on a leaf node, and after leaf node I go towards none. So if no none, then it will return 0. From left right I am getting 0. From left and right I am getting 0. So only 3 will be here. So sum will be equal to 3, left will be 0, right is equal to 0. And if left is greater than 0, then just add no, it is not. And right is greater than 0, that is also not. And in our answer, I'm updating that sum after going from left and right. Answer is equal to max answer and sum. Then it should give output, but in both case, I'm not going in where. Mm, Code. Let's move it here. So make a new variable. Well, I have already traversed in left and right. Left and right both are 0. Before going to 1, left and right 0, it will return 2. And here it will return the 3. Print left and right. Print um, left, comma, down, comma, right. 0 to 0, okay. 0 3 0, it's same as it because both left and right are equals to 0 0, then it is great. And 1, I am on 1, and in left I am returning 2, from right I am returning 3, then the sum should, okay, bro, left, right. Okay, it worked in case 1, and in case 2, the output is, my output is 41, the expected output is 42. Uh, I should have taken the 42 because um, okay, okay, so negative is also there, so there is a possibility. But no, okay, when I'm on first let's see how this graph looks like, then understand what is going on here. So first I was on 15. I go to 9, okay. So from 9 both 9, and then I was on 15, both sides 0, no worries. And then I was on 7, both sides zeros, no worries. And then I got 42. I got 42, and if I got sum as a 42, then it should be in our answer variable. but it is not. And after that, 9 from this side comes 9, and from other side comes 42, and that is taken in our answer variable. Just take it. Temp is equals to temp. Well, I don't think I need this also, because if I'm on root, I'm also already taking values. So what about this? Yeah, okay. Okay, so let's run and see where it fails. And it fails. Uh, use test case. This is our test case, and in this test case, 070, okay, 0 to 0, okay, and then I am on 11, 8, 9. Oh, I should go left and right, and I have to find the grid biggest that is possible our road, but it is already okay. Now I understand what I'm doing wrong. So I'm going left is right, but I'm going right. Left is right, right is right. Okay. So here I put left. So here I just get an our answer is whatever is our present answer, max of our present answer. I'm adding both of them. That is a mistake, because if I am adding both of them, it make a tree already. So here also I go and wait, let's understand what I'm doing wrong. Okay, then we'll think of it. Okay, so 7 and 2. Okay, I took both of them in 11. No worries, I got 20. And I also took it to 4. This is also okay. And after that, I go to 13. Okay, and in 13, I go for here 101. It is also okay. And then 51. This is also okay. Oh, okay, I have to take the path, not tree. So here I'm just taking the sum of whole tree. That is not right. I have to choose from both side of one thing. Okay, so I have two options. Take one side only, take other side only, or take both side. And if I'm taking one these two things, then I have to traverse, and this I have to take it as a result. So okay, just get out. Okay, so after going left and right, I will take it. Answer is equals to sum. Sorry, answer is equals to, and now I don't need the sum also. In answer, whatever is max, whatever is present answer plus not dot val plus left. plus right. That can be an answer and not dot. Okay, and after doing this, if left, I have if left is greater than 0 and right is also greater than 0, then just if both are greater than 0, then just um, if both are greater than 0, then sum, if sum is greater than 0, I have already removed the sum, so let's make a variable here sum is equals to 0, not 0, node dot val, and I have to take the biggest one, so sum plus max of node dot left comma node dot right comma 0. And after taking the max from this, either I have to return the whole sum. Okay, here what can return is the max, uh, whatever I got sum from all, or not dot val, or okay, I get it. Return max list, sorry, list. And this list, the first thing that we can return is our whatever the node dot val is. Okay, and after the second thing that we can return is node dot val plus left, and the third thing is node dot val plus right. Three options that I can return, or if all these are, and another option is 0, whichever gives the max value that I have to return. I was yeah, it worked, and it worked. Okay, now it's look correct. I got a little bit confused. What I can return the max from this. I took the mesh. Okay, so after this, what I have to do, I have to solve the same question without using recursion. Um, so let's see how we can solve this question without, because we are taking left output and also right output and comparing it to our with our root node. Okay. And okay, let's see. We can solve this without using recursion. So what here I'm doing first left and then right. So how we can do this, like go left as well and right as well, and then we go to our root. Like in our, if I'm using stack, then just I will pop this guy out, and then 2, then this guy will be popped 3, 8, and no, when I'm on 100, I will go 2 and 4, and when I'm on 4, I will go 6 and 5, and when I'm on 5, I will go 7, and the other one is nothing. Um, I think we can get the output because we know these two will be this, and these two will be of this, and these two will be of this. I think we can get our output. So let's try. So first is minus 100. So after 100, we will, if there is a next available, so we'll 2 and 4, and then after 2 and 4, I will go to 4, it's 6 and 5, and after that, in 5, I will go 7, and there is nothing in here. So as I reach in this place, so because I'm in a stack and I'm doing okay. So now I know there is nothing like I can go forward, then I go back, and when there is none, I will consider it as a 0 and get its output. And because 7 is there, so right now is our max is 7. So the real question is like now I'm on 7, so how I will tell my stack that I don't have to go forward, I have to go in backward direction. So I think what I can do is 7 0. No, 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 it will not work. So how I will tell like remove this 7 from our stack? Okay, 7 is a leaf node I can remove. So after removing, I'm right now I'm on 5, and our output will be 7 plus 5, that will be 12. That is split into 12. Now what? Now how I tell that I have to pop, well, I have to remove this 5 from our stack, because there is a path in which I can go, that is 7, but I don't want to go 7 again. I want to learn Python. What should I do? You should first learn your MERN stack, then come to Python. And I don't think that you need to come to Python. Learning MERN code using JS or TS, JavaScript or TypeScript. Okay. What I can do here? I don't understand. 5 and 7. I have to pop this guy out, and I don't know how. So it is the post order traversal thing. Let's see how we have done the post order traversal. Because we have already done it, so maybe this can give us some uh, clues. Open the well, if not dot left, open the stack. Okay, no, this one. There are two ways that I have done. In first way, I have just reverse the array. So I don't want this one because this will not help me in our present question. So let's come to here. Maybe this can help. I have used a stack and answer with set. Okay, I have used set to remember where I didn't go. Okay, I thought of it, but I thought I don't want to use set. But if there is a let's use set to solve the answer first, and after that we'll find a more better solution, well, a more better way to solve. Okay, so let's what was that? Okay, here, and I have to comment this out. Okay, so now what I have to do is first I have to make a stack, and we already know in our question it is written that there's always a one node present, so we will put directly stack in our question. So stack, and in stack our root is there, and after root I will put our I have to make a set, which is a set, and it will contain our root. And I think we have to not pop these guys out first directly. Okay, so set and root while stack I have to run in this, and there is an answer putting root dot well, and I was stack with root. I also have to give whatever it's sum. No, 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 no. Sum. So, how are we are going to we know 5 is there, so root and what's left and right. I'm going to assume to take the sum. I think we have to take a um, global variable as a sum, which whose present value is 0. And I will take a node equals to, but it will add everything. Well, I don't get how to solve this in Traverse. Um, I want to traverse in it, but I also want to get its values uh, with it. What can be possible? In a step, we put here first all zero, 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 not zero. Whatever its value, if its value is less than zero, then zero, else 2, 4, 6, 5, 7, and here it's 0. Yeah, this can work. So root comma, I will take 0 if root dot value is less than 0, else whatever root dot value is, this whole thing will be in a tuple. Okay, and node comma whatever its value equals to stack minus 1. I get node and value, and after this uh, if node dot left is available and node dot left not in, uh, then set So it is for the index command V, index command V. Okay, so this whole thing will be in our stack, and if not left and not in our in our set, then we'll just add this guy in our set. So stack dot append node dot left with node dot left with 0 0 if node dot left is less than, if greater, sorry, if less than 0, else node dot left. So node. Okay, and same goes for if not dot right and not dot right dot set that dot find value. Okay, after appending, when I have to start popping out. And if node dot left is not present, then else put the none. So here is the thing, and I put none, and I know because none comma 0, none comma 0, if node, if not, just continue. So after appending, appending both sides, and if node dot left and dot content set, so I will append that instead, and set dot add node dot left, and same for set dot add node dot right. So uh, that is question. Okay. So what I'm doing, pending I'm okay. I have a pendant like f minus 100. Then I have a pendant 2 and 4. So now the condition is when I have to start popping out, and here the condition is not in set. Well, I'm not able to solve this question. I'm not able to think of any way to solve this question without using recursion. Um, let's go and check the solutions of others because I think they have given more than half an hour to this question and we are still not getting the right answer. And uh, okay, so okay, it is a recursive solution, but I want not recursive, but last. It is another. Why he has put a async stack? Span tree, recursion tree, template, backtracking, boundary, greedy, conquer. Preface iterator. Python iterative solution. So what he has done, stack last empty while loop or stack. This question, okay, this question can be solved uh, very, what is doing? I don't understand. Like, let's see first it works or not. works. Let's go to finite stack and last that is none in dictionary. In dictionary it is defaulting while root or stack while root just go in root left 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 one in extreme left and then discuss the stack minus one if not right and last not equals to last so root is equal to not right and appended it everything in a stack and the last step checking for right if right is not available then left is also not available then pop that guy out and put that in last and then t node uh, first max of node left and node right and then node value whatever the max you get then just node value and then it's 0 and in result max plus left plus right plus node value okay. Okay guys, so let's stop here because I think it is already okay, it's been 2 hours. Okay, so good night guys.